Worried about the economy? Are you concerned about tariffs? Want to earn in US dollars without startup costs and see results fast? That's exactly what I'll show you today. By the end of this video, you'll understand how Master Affiliate Profits is creating a financial lifeline for Canadians feeling the economic squeeze. I remember when I was struggling to make ends meet last winter? This system changed everything. I'll walk you through the exact steps that have allowed complete beginners to generate their first income within days, not months. And the best part? You can start implementing these strategies immediately after watching this video. The economic reality facing Canadians today is challenging to say the least. The concern about tariffs, job uncertainty have Canadians concerned from coast to coast. Did you know that the average Canadian is just 2 paychecks away from financial disaster? That's the reality many of us are facing right now. The economic landscape across our country has shifted dramatically in recent years, leaving countless hardworking people vulnerable to financial instability. Job security, something our parents and grandparents could count on, has become increasingly rare in today's Canada. Industries once considered economic bedrock are experiencing unprecedented disruption. Take Michael from Toronto, a banking executive with 15 years of experience who was laid off with barely 2 weeks' notice when his department was outsourced. Or Sarah, a telecommunications specialist from Vancouver who found herself suddenly redundant after her company merged with a competitor. These stories represent a troubling nationwide pattern reshaping our economic reality. Moreover, the Canadian dollar's consistent decline against the US dollar creates a compounding effect on our financial well-being. Everyday necessities cost more while our savings diminish in real value. That vacation to Florida that cost $3,000 5 years ago? It's now closer to $7,000. The retirement fund you've carefully built? Like a shrinking ice cube in summer heat, it won't stretch nearly as far as originally planned. In response to these mounting pressures, Canadians are working longer hours and taking on second jobs simply to maintain their current lifestyle. A recent survey by Statistics Canada revealed that over 30% of workers have sought additional employment in the past year. Despite this extra effort, financial improvement remains elusive for most. We're like hamsters on an economic wheel, running faster but getting nowhere. The traditional pathways to financial security have largely disappeared. Corporate loyalty no longer guarantees advancement, and the pension plans that supported previous generations have vanished like morning fog. Young professionals entering today's workforce face a completely different landscape, one where frequent job changes are necessary for career advancement and retirement planning falls entirely on the individual's shoulders. The pandemic accelerated another significant shift, the widespread adoption of remote work. In a moment you'll see how what you're about to learn has turned this into an advantage for you. While working from home has provided flexibility, many Canadians report working harder from their home offices without corresponding financial rewards. The freedom to work in pajamas hasn't translated into freedom from financial worry. Perhaps most concerning is the widening gap between income and expenses, creating unprecedented financial stress. Like a rising tide of anxiety, this pressure affects not just bank accounts but mental health and family relationships as well. But what if these economic challenges could actually be leveraged to create new opportunities? Some forward-thinking individuals have discovered ways to turn global currency differences into advantages rather than obstacles. Master Affiliate Profits offers a refreshing alternative to typical opportunities requiring significant upfront investment. When joining MAP, you immediately receive a comprehensive $600 marketing guide, completely free. This professional resource covers essential skills from list building to social media marketing tactics, providing the same tools professionals use to build six-figure online businesses without the usual hefty price tag. For Canadians feeling the economic pressure, this removes the substantial financial barrier that typically prevents many from exploring legitimate online business opportunities. How MAP creates financial security in uncertain times. What you're about to discover is a no-cost pathway to prosperity. Free training is valuable, but free training that generates income while you're still learning is revolutionary. When I first discovered that MAP members were seeing real results in under 60 minutes, I couldn't believe it until I experienced it myself. Master Affiliate Profits stands apart from other online opportunities because it was specifically engineered to remove the financial obstacles that prevent most Canadians from starting their own online business. Traditional affiliate marketing programs typically require significant upfront investment before seeing any return. You're asked to purchase courses, buy software, and run ads while hoping it eventually pays off. MAP transforms this model completely. Rather than asking you to invest first and wait for returns, it allows you to earn while still in the learning phase. This grow while you learn approach works like turning on a tap for immediate cash flow. You implement what you're being taught and potentially see your first results within your first hour of membership. As Sarah from Vancouver shared, I made $47 during my first 48 hours, while I was still learning how the system worked. That moment changed everything for me. This immediate feedback creates confidence and momentum impossible to achieve with programs that keep you waiting months for validation. When you join MAP, you're immediately eligible to earn a 25% commission on any purchases made by people you refer. The program offers a clear progression path that can boost your commission rate all the way up to 75% as you advance through the system. This tiered structure creates substantial income potential without complex qualification requirements. The commission structure rewards your progress and effort directly. As one member put it, "I love that there's a direct connection between what I put in and what I get out." This clear path from 25% to 75% provides both immediate gratification and long-term motivation. Building on this strong foundation, MAP offers another powerful advantage: its global reach. The platform connects you with a thriving international community spanning the United States, Europe, Asia, and beyond. This worldwide network allows you to tap into diverse income streams that aren't dependent on any single country's economic conditions. Filipino members have successfully connected with U.S. contacts, demonstrating how the platform facilitates international connections. By building an international team, you create a more resilient business not tied solely to the Canadian economy. Behind this system stands Dori O'Neill, a founding member with 50 years of experience helping over 1 million people establish successful home-based businesses. As president and CEO of multiple companies including Master Affiliate Profits Review and Profit Plan Plus, O'Neill brings practical knowledge and proven strategies to the program. This experienced leadership provides invaluable confidence to new members. You're following a system created by someone with decades of proven success. MAP pays all commissions in US dollars, creating an automatic boost in earning power for Canadians. This provides a natural hedge against the Canadian dollar's volatility, protecting your earnings from domestic currency fluctuations. When you convert those US dollars back to Canadian currency, you benefit from the exchange rate difference. Consider this: a $100 commission might convert to 135 Canadian dollars at current rates, a 35% increase in effective earnings just from the currency conversion. This built-in advantage makes MAP especially attractive during economic uncertainty, when maximizing every dollar becomes crucial. Conclusion. So what's the next move for you? Join Master Affiliate Profits. It's free and no credit card is required. As Dori O'Neill says, taking decisive action during economic uncertainty is essential. The challenges we discussed remain, but you now have a clear path forward without financial risk. Today, you can choose the status quo or take control of your financial future. With MAP, you'll immediately access professional-level training worth $600 and potentially see results within your first hour. When you follow Dori's free course, enroll your first MAP member in 60 minutes or less. Imagine turning every dollar into an opportunity for your future. This is particularly powerful for Canadians, transforming our economic circumstances into an advantage. The decision is yours. What are you waiting for? Join Dori's MAP team today. It's free.